11th Science Chapter 3 Classification of Elements and Periodicity in Properties Part 5 Characteristics of SPDF block elements.
Hello students, I am Madhusina, your chemistry teacher. Watch my YouTube videos, like and subscribe it for further notifications. In this video, we will be discussing some of the important characteristics of the four blocks of long form of periodic table, namely S block, P block, D block and F block.
General characteristics of S block elements except hydrogen. Elements in which last electron enters into s orbital of their outermost energy level are called s block elements. Elements of group 1 are called alkali metals and group 2 are called alkaline earth metals. All are metals, malleable, ductile and good conductors of heat and electricity. They show low ionization potential. They are soft metals and have low melting and boiling points. They are highly electropositive in nature. They are powerful reducing agents and hence cannot be prepared by reduction. Elements of group 1 and group 2 and aluminium are prepared by electrolysis of their salts in fused or molten state. Except lithium and beryllium, they form ionic compounds. The ionic nature of compounds increases from top to bottom. Group 1 elements form monovalent cations while that of group 2 forms divalent cations by the loss of electrons from their outermost shell. They form diamagnetic and colorless salts except dichromates and permanganates which are colored. They show oxidation state of +1 and +2 respectively. Due to high reactivity of alkali metals, they are stored under liquid paraffins. Characteristics of p block elements. P block elements includes elements from group number 13 to group number 18. Group number 13 is known as boron group, 14 as carbon group, 15 as nitrogen group, 16 as oxygen group, 17 as halogen group or halogen family and 18 as noble gases. Elements in which last electron enters into p orbital is known as p block elements. These elements possesses relatively higher ionization energy and the value tends to increase along the period but decrease down the group. Most of them shows negative as well as positive oxidation states. Thus, p block element plays dominant role in all natural processes and includes inert gases also. The general electronic configuration of p block element is Ns2Np126 and it includes metals, non-metals and metalloids also. Most of them form covalent compounds. One of the familiar characteristic of p block element is to show inert pair effect, that is, the reluctance of inner electrons to participate in bond formation. The inert pair effect increases down the group. General characteristics of d block elements. D block elements are also known as transition elements as they show intermediate properties between S block and P block. They have high melting and boiling point. All transition elements shows metallic properties. Most of them show catalytic properties. They are electropositive in nature. Most of them forms colored compounds. They have good tendency to form complexes. They exhibit several oxidation states. They are generally paramagnetic in nature. Characteristics of F block elements. Elements whose n-2 f orbitals of an electron shell is filled are called F block elements. In other words, when the last electron enters into F orbital, they are said to belong to F block. F block elements are also known as inner transition series. The first row is called lanthanoid and the second row is called actinoid. The general electronic configuration of F block is n-2 F1 to 14, n-1 D0 to 1, ns2. F block element shows following characteristics. The ionization energies of F block elements are higher than those of S block elements but lower than P block elements. All lanthanides are found to have similar colors. Most of the trivalent lanthanide ions are colored both in solid state and in aqueous solution. The color of the lanthanide ions is due to the presence of unpaired 4 of electrons, which results in FF transition. The intensity of color depends upon the number of unpaired electrons. They show absorption in UV region. Most of F block elements and their compounds are paramagnetic due to the presence of unpaired electrons. F block element shows different characteristics as compared to S block and P block. They show variable oxidation state. They exhibit paramagnetism. They form colored compounds. They act as good catalysts. They form a large number of complex compounds. They can form interstitial or non-stoichiometric compounds. They are malleable, ductile, and sonorous. They possess high melting point and have high density. They act as Lewis acids and Lewis bases simultaneously.